Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So from you see the kernel, from you see the white and red, you already know what time it is. You already know what time it is. Anyways, so we are in India, as you are all aware, and by now everybody knows where they are in India. So when we come to India, I mean see the kernel. Raje see the kernel. Come never see it. Raje say, mommy, the kernel they here. I'm gonna say, what? If the Colonel is here, then so are we. You know, Colonel time where Jamaican just we love KFC, and because we love KFC, it means that we're gonna try KFC wherever we go. So the first thing that we got was the Zinger box, right? So this is the Indian KFC Zinger box. Now take a good look at it.
They add black seed to it.
Something I see. What name again? Sesame seed.
Sesame seed.
Alright, so this is what the burger looks like, guys. This is the Zinger sandwich. And the cheese, it has a lot of cheese and mayo. Tops are lettuce. See that? Tops are lettuce. So this is the KFC Zinger. And then for some reason, I only get half bag of fries. Yeah. They deduct points to that. I never see them at 6 fries in the bag. 6 fries.
No, yet. Inside your fries.
You don't eat already? Oh, come fries. 6 fries. Come on. Alright, I'm not bad deduct points. So this is the fries. And we have the Pepsi. Let me try the Pepsi first.
It's really good. Tastes like our Pepsi.
For the most part. Fries without ketchup.
No, like, I feel like it.
You already tried the fries already.
I feel like the cheese in my burger around the belly.
Hot, delicious, crispy. Excite the senses. Tagline different down here. And then this is the ketchup. Cremica.
Miss
Better's Cremica. Tomato ketchup. Cute. Anyways, the fries are okay.
Alright.
Standard KFC fries.
We're gonna try with the latest ketchup. I forgot to save some because then I'm gonna ketchup here. And you know I'm like put ketchup on my
standard curry. Fries. Not funny about the fries. It's standard. It's cool now. Cause we get food a while ago and we just eat it. It's cool.
Can you do?
Ketchup is a no, bro. Ketchup is a no go. I don't like it. I don't like ketchup. It has a very strong taste.
I'm not sure if you feel about it. That's why I'm keep on a try.
You're not sure? Oh, Raje, just let me know that we get some popcorn chicken. We didn't pay for popcorn chicken. We don't know if it's free. Not popcorn chicken, bro. Our wings. It's not popcorn chicken, it's hot wings.
Not look about it.
It look like it coming at the same thing like the popcorn chicken. We never pay for wings, we only pay for this. I don't know why we don't get this. I don't know if a mistake she make.
No, a guy looks straight on my face and then he put it like then look on my name put it like.
Okay, may I try the wing? Nice crunch. Seasoning is different.
Not bad.
Not bad, just different. Nice crunch though. Look salty. Not bad. But I get an 8 out of 10.
Me too. No, 8.5, but I'm just adding a couple points because it's salty.
But me like a weird You see that orange? seasoning you didn't put funny?
Tahini.
Onion?
Tahini.
No onion, but it's nice. It have a vibes. It's really good. This is a, I had a drumming before. I had flat before, and this is a drumming.
I had, I'm not even sure which part is because it look very tiny.
Yeah, they're small. But it have a right crunch. I love the crunch. And that's something when they put on the orange something there. I like it.
Not bad. Can go on.
8 out of 10. As a hot wings lover, 8 out of 10.
Anything above 7, really good.
8 out of 10? Definitely would recommend. Alright. Now for the main event. Wait, I clean my palate. Boy, shaking it, you know. You shame of your mother? Or you shame of your mother? That's what old mother say, you know. Alright. Burger with the black sesame seed. Let's go.
That look raw.
We did just forget the hot wings.
Seems like good pink.
The mayo, half the cheese, half.
So we're gonna have a good time in my bathroom tonight. They were with us here, man.
We just buy hot wings. Straight chicken. It's weird. Taste it?
Look at this, Joe. Look like tahini powder pan, man.
It's still, the chicken is really crunchy. But that's all it is, crunchy. In a season, in a nice. But if you think me I'm lose my money, you have a sad mistake.
This is not it.
Alright.
Bill start hurt me.
No, no more. But ain't no more stuff. Eat the fries. So the overall ratings for KFC is, don't try this thing. Go straight at wings.
Just straight hot wings.
Probably chicken with a knife too. It's like 3 pieces or so. Because we're hungry, we wanted to ensure so we're belly full. But so look at things. I have diarrhea medicine in my bag. Cheese and all for me there. Feel like I catch a deli belly. Can we eat the fries and go to bed?
I'm morning now.
At morning, but at night. We body still at tell us at night. At night back home. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time.
Bye.